Hello, how can
As
I
I
assist you
record
today?
this is now August. So IRS says business tax returns must be filed by September 15th. If you don't file by the 15th and you have an LLC, they're charging you $400 a month. In this video, we're going to show you some simple and easy ways to make sure you file correctly and get it done. The first thing you must do is you have to know your deposits and you have to know your numbers. So how do you do this? Well, what you got to do is you have to start downloading all your apps and all the receipts that you collected so far. You need to add up everything that you deposited or everything that you collected this year as revenue. Revenue is defined as anything you made from any client. What this doesn't include is if you had to deposit money because you got a loan or somebody gave you a, a loan, or maybe you had an investor who put money in your company, that's not considered income. Income considered any income you got from a client by doing services. So you're going to go through all your bank statements and start adding up all your deposits, what people paid you to your bank account. And that also could include whatever you collected from Zelle. So you add all those up. The next thing you have to do is you now have to go through your bank statements and add up all your deductions. So what I would everybody do on your deductions, you either go out and get a bunch of pieces of paper like we did in the old days and start making columns like phone, water, supplies, Home Depot, Lowe's, and you start making lists and start filling up. Or another way is you just go out and get an Excel sheet and get 12 columns of all office, repairs, utilities, and start filling it out and figuring it out that way. So that's going to show you all your deductions. After this is done, you then, whoever is going to do your tax return, you give that to them. Okay. A simpler way of doing it is you get a bookkeeper or somebody else to do it for you. QuickBooks says that it takes between 5 and 15 hours to do QuickBooks. So usually that means is, you went out and you deposited all your bank statements, all 12 months, and you got all your deductions. You then put it into QuickBooks, and it's going to give you what's called an income statement, which already figures it out for you, which will tell you, you click the report button, and it's going to tell you how much you deposited and list of all your deductions. Now, if you don't have time to do this, statistics say that the small business owner either has no time, is going to get burned out, no time for the family or fun, or no time to work on your business. In that case, you should hire a bookkeeper. Because if the average business owner is taking, let's say, 5 hours a month, because that's usually what's going to take by the time you downloaded all your statements and add it all in, and you're getting paid $300 a month, $300 an hour, that's $1,500. If you called our office, chances are we could probably do the bookkeeping for you for $175 a month. So you can do the math. So you can spend the 3 times 12, you can spend the 36 hours that it might take you to do it, or you can hire somebody and it'll be done without you having any stress, and you can work on your business. How do we know this? My name is Albert Corey from Corey and Associates Accounting Advisors. We've been helping our clients for almost 40 years, increasing their profits with less stress and capital. See, we know the numbers because we've worked with every kind of business, from kiddie actors to truck drivers and everything in between. So why would you want to do it yourself? If you call our office at 305-823-9228 and you say video, we'll give you a 15-minute complimentary consultation to get you everything done. We are a real office in Hialeah, Florida. We have virtual, fax, And if you're in the area, you can walk in. We love seeing live people, and you can get it done. So why do you want to overpay the IRS? Another reason you want to get it done is maybe, you can start saving money by paying less interest if you owe money. But if you have kids, you might even be getting credits and getting money back. You don't know unless you start doing your tax return. Another pro tip, make sure you don't do it in TurboTax. I've seen it all the time, that people start using TurboTax to do their tax returns to save money. Here's a fun fact. When's the last time TurboTax answered all your questions? Probably never. If you hire a tax professional who knows what they're doing, you can get everything done for you. If you have any questions, you can always leave comments below. If you have questions, you can leave comments below and we'll get back for you, no matter what channel this is on. Thank you. This is Albert Corey. Make sure you get everything done and we give you a free consultation. Thank you.